Hey everyone, so this will be an unboxing of the Pure Max Ion. This is the Black Finish 7 Cup Ultimate here. We'll do a quick unboxing of this guy. So certified to reduce lead and 3 times more contaminants, which is awesome. So this guy was 25 bucks, I want to say, at Walmart. It's not too bad. Of course, if you guys want to read any of this, go ahead and pause it. That is what it will reduce. Inside the box, of course, you get the filter itself. Nice gold wrapped filter. $2 off any Pure filter multi-pack. Hopefully it's not actually expired. Nope, and expires end of this year, 2020. A little bit of paperwork here. Let's see, new improved filter. Who knows what that is? This guy, just saying, refer to owner's manual, which I'm gonna guess is this guy. Yep. And there's the cat, doing what cats do and getting in the way. And there's the Black Finish filter out of the plastic wrap. And you see here, this does have what they're calling the clean sensor monitor. So it'll go from green, let's see, green to yellow to red. So from good to you better replace it, otherwise. Alright, then that is of course where the filter goes. And of course there's inside that, and then this does pop out. Somewhat just hard to do with one hand. Yep, there we go. Pops out, and then this part actually twists off as well, so we can clean it nice and good like. And then there is the Max Ion filter, so it does look different from what I remember. The top there looks really different actually. It's a nice blue color though. Of course that just goes in there and you gotta twist it on in to make it fit all the way. Yeah, there we go. There is an unboxing of the Ultimate 7 Cup Ultimate Black Finish Pure filter with the Max Ion. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and have yourselves a good one. See y'all next time. Goodbye.